Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to boost FPS and increase performance in League of Legends. So in order to boost FPS and increase performance in League of Legends, you need to follow a few steps. So firstly, all you need to do is go to the search panel. In here, search for League of Legends. Then click on Open File Location. Then right click on the League of Legends shortcut from here. And click on Open File Location yet again. After that, to Write Games. And head to League of Legends. Then the Games tab. Then we'll find the League of Legends EXE. Now let's right click on it. Go to Properties, Compatibility. From here, select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then click on Change High DPI Settings and select Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Then click on OK, Apply and OK. Now make sure that you copy the URL of this folder from up here. Right click, copy. After the URL has been copied, close the window. Head to the search panel. From here, type graphics settings, then click on open. From here, make sure that some of the settings are active, like optimization for windowed games, as well as under the advanced graphics settings, harder accelerated GPU scheduling. Now from this list, if you already have League of Legends in here, then you do not need to add it. But if you do not have it, click on the Add a Desktop app. Now right click on the URL section and paste the URL you just copied. Go to the folder. Click on League of Legends. Select Add. After you have added League of Legends, just maximize it. Under the GPU Preference tab, select High Performance, and also optimization for windowed game should be on. After you have changed these settings, you can expect to see an FPS boost and performance upgrade in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.